In June of 2011, the Las Conchas fire ripped through the Santa Fe National Forest and burned 150,000 acres, including 60 homes.
This case is about responsibility.
Now, 300 people are suing the Jemez Mountains Electric Cooperative, or JMEC, and also a company called Tri-State. The fire started after a tree fell onto a power line. JMEC operated that line. Tri-State supplied the electricity. The civil suit says not enough was done to keep trees off the lines.
Tri-State and JMEC did not even attempt, did not even try to implement the necessary procedures to protect the public from fire.
The defense says JMEC did have a system. It just didn't have the formal title Vegetation Management Program.
What we had, and there's no dispute about this, is what is known as a tree trimming program, or some people refer to it as line clearance program. We're talking about the same thing, just using different names.
The defense says the tree fell in 40-mile-per-hour winds, was healthy, and far from the power line's right-of-way.
The winds were so significant that we know that the tree was a live green tree because it wasn't burned.
The trial is expected to last a couple months. Royal Day, KOAT, Action 7 News.